Islamic University Chittagong, IIUC, began its journey in 1995 with a noble mission to produce a new generation of skilled youths, characterized with academic excellence in a student-friendly and stimulating environment. With a good initiation and acceleration by a group of committed social workers, prominent academicians and philanthropists of Chittagong, IIUC started its journey in August 1995. International Islamic University Chittagong is one of the top-graded government-approved private universities in Bangladesh. The campus of IIUC is situated in eye-catching beautiful site of Kumira, which is 22 kilometers away from Chittagong city. It is surrounded by hills and fascinating tourist spots. Echo Park and Magnificent Sea Beach are very much close to the campus, which have enriched its beauty. Dhaka Trunk Road and railway line pass away beside the campus. Today, when our students will get their long-cherished academic degree in the IIUC 4th Convocation 2018.